Today's video, the instant messaging tab, also known as messages in the Mitel MiVoice Connect software. Stick around, we're going to go over it, show you how you use it, a few tips and tricks, and here we go. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today we got something exciting for you. We're going to go through the messages tab inside of the software. What we're going to do is show you how it works within the organization, a few tips and tricks on what you can and can't do with the software, how it's going to show up, what you can do as far as a user to make your life a little easier with that, and how it works with different availability states. So stick around, we're going to go ahead and jump in my computer and I'm going to show you how that works. All right, everybody, welcome back inside of my computer, and today we are going over the messages tab inside of the Mitel Connect software. So this one is pretty straightforward. We've got the messages tab here. It will look like this. It says messages. If it is minimized, it's going to look like this and be at this little icon here that looks like a chat box. So go ahead and close this out, and we're going to go ahead and send ourselves a message. And you'll see that that message, it pops up with a notification right there. If I want to read this message, all I do is open up the message, and I can see that this message is from Demo 1. This would normally display the person's name, but all I do is open this, and I can see, oh, hey, he said hello, and he said test. All right, I can just reply back and say test back. All right, so I can do that, and they got that message. So when they start to reply, I can actually start seeing that they are typing. So this is very similar to your smartphone, where we can see demo is typing and the little animation right here. So it's a quick way to see that whether they're at their desk and replying fairly quickly. All right, you can also send emojis. You just do that by selecting this, and if I want to send a smiley face here, all I do is select that and I can hit it. They will receive that on their end. And then one question I do get a lot is that how do I start a message? So you can definitely see that here Demo 1 sent me a message and I can reply very easily, but if you'll notice that there's no new message, there's no other option available inside of this. So to start a message with anybody, what you actually need to do is go to their contacts. So you can do that either from up here where you get into the directory and see all of your contacts. So let's go ahead and send a message to Demo 2. I can select that. I can select Demo 2. And then up here, I would just select messages, and I can go ahead and type in there my message, and that sends them a message. So that is how you initiate a message, and then when they reply, it'll start showing up in here. You can see that this thread has already started. So if I want to jump between Demo 1 and the Demo 2 account, I can go back and forth. And that is the messages tab. Like I said, this is going to be pretty short and sweet. It is a great tool to work. One thing to know is this does not talk to outside organizations. So this is within your organization and the Mitel system only. But it is very useful to be able to ping messages. Now, one thing to also note is that if you don't see this option, if you don't see messages, it is possible that your administrator has turned off this feature. So you wouldn't even see this tab. So if you do not see the tab, just understand that maybe your administrator has selected that option. So if you have any questions, please comment them down below. And if you like these tips and tricks videos about the Mitel Connect system, go ahead and subscribe. And we push them out as often as we can, especially when there are updates. So if you want to know the latest and greatest with your software, know how to use it, and the best practices, we look forward to working with you in the future. So thank you, and we will talk soon.